Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to simplify a question, and our given question is 2 is to power 200 minus 2 is to power 199 minus 2 is to power 198. We should solve this question without calculator with basic algebra tricks, and then we should find the answer among them. So in order to solve this question, in the first step we should break these powers. This 200 will break into 198 plus 2. This 199 will break into 198 plus 1, and this 198 will remain same. Now in the next step we should take common 2 is to power 198 among all of these value. As a result, we will get 2 is to square from this value, and 2 is to power 1 from this value, and only 1 from this value as a reminder. Now in the next step we should open the all of these value. How? Simply 2 square can be written as 4. 2 is to power 1 will be equal to 2, and 1 will remain same. Now simplify all of these value. As a result we will get 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1 will be equal to 1, and 2 is to power 198 into 1 will be equal to 2 is to power 198. It means that our answer is option A, which is 2 is to power 198. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and useful videos. And I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. So for more interesting video, please visit my channel. Thank you.